Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. This is the last topic for this chapter, chapter number 4, parts and wholes. So my dear students, already you know very well I have uploaded total part number 1 to part number 8. If you didn't understand any concept till, so please revise once again all the remaining parts which I have uploaded in our YouTube channel. So today I will complete this chapter number 4, inshallah. In the next video we will start a new chapter. Okay, now on a page number 67 you can see Arun's timetable. Okay, so there are total 24 boxes. It means 24 hours, we can say that. Okay, one box is equal to 1 hour, 2 hours, two boxes, it means 2 hours. So here you can see, you can count which Aruns has failed boxes, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here sleeping 1/3 of a day. Clear what I am telling you? Understood? So here you can see, my dear students, sleeping, it means in one day how many total hours? There are total 24 hours, right? So here there are total how many boxes? So there are total 24 boxes. Understood? So you can see here sleeping 1/3 of a day, playing 1/8 of a day, 8 of a day, studying 1/4 of a day. Okay, so there are 3 activities which Arun is doing. Okay, this is his daily duty, daily activity which he does. Okay, sleeping 1/3 of a day, playing 1/8 of a day, studying 1/4 of a day. So here we are going to find out first sleeping. Okay, so you can see here sleeping how many hours? 1/3 of a day. So 1/3 multiplied by 24. Why I have written beta 24? Because in one day how many total hours? There are total 24 hours. Therefore 1/3, it means 1/3 multiplied by 24. Now speak the table of 3 along with me. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21 and 3 8 ja 24. So my dear students, can I write 3 multiplied by 8 instead of 24? Okay, so my dear students, these 3 and these 3 will be cut. So remaining answer is 8. Okay, so answer should be 8 only. So my dear students, you can see already one color has been filled in these boxes. There are total 8 boxes, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so how many hours does Arun take for sleeping? So he takes 8 hours for sleeping. Clear? So here you should be written 8 in this box. Clear? Now playing. Okay, सॉरी स्टडिंग का कितना टाइम लेता है बेटा? वो 1/4 of a day. Clear? 1/4 it means 1/4 multiplied by 24. चलो मेरे साथ 4 का टेबल बोलो. So 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24. Clear? So my dear students, can I write 4 multiplied by 6 instead of 24? Okay, so 4 6 12. So here my dear students, this 4 and this 4 will be cut. So remaining answer is 6 1 ja 6. Clear? Okay, so answer should be 6 only. So you should write here 6 only, which I have written here. Now the playing का कितना टाइम? 1/8 of a day. It means 1/8 multiplied by 24. Okay, so you can see here. So 1/8 multiplied by 24. So my dear students, can I write 24? 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. So I have written here 8 multiplied by 3. Okay, so here this 8 and 8 will be cancelled. So remaining number is 3 1 ja 3. So 3 1 ja 3. This is your answer. Clear? Okay, the answer should be 3 only. Okay, now so it is your answer. Okay, now we will move on the next question. Question page number 69. Okay, so look at this side. This is the very important concept, Kirti's shopping list. So this is a shop. This is a shop. Okay, in this shop, first question, the tomato is 12 rupees 12 rupees per kg. Potato is 10 rupees per kg. Onion is 16 per kg. Carrot 18 per kg, and gourd is 8 rupees per kg. Okay, clear? Again I am repeating, tomato is 12 rupees per kg, potato is 10 rupees per kg, onion is 16 rupees per kg, carrot is 18 rupees per kg, and gourd is 8 rupees per kg. Okay, so here how much does 2 kg of tomato cost? So 1 kg का कितना है बेटा? Tomato is 12. So 12 multiplied by 2. Okay, otherwise you can speak the table of 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4. Okay, and 2 1 ja 2. So answer should be 24. Clear? Okay, the answer is 24. Now how much does half kg of tomato cost? Half kg का कितना? 1 kg of tomato is 12 rupees. So half का आधा चाहिए, it means 500 gram. तो कितना मिलेगा? तो 12 divided by 2. तो 2 6 12. The answer should be 6 only. Clear? Now question number C. Kiran wants 2.5 kg of tomato. My dear students, यहाँ पे 2 integer 1/2 अब हम रीड नहीं करेंगे. ये कंसेप्ट आपको क्लास 6 में आएगा. But here you have to read this 2 integer. It means 2 kilo and half kg. हम अलग अलग हम उसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे 2 kg and half kg. Clear? So here I will show you how to calculate, how to solve this type of puzzle. Okay, so look at this side. tomato is 12 rupees, right? So कितना चाहिए? Kiran wants 2.5 kg of tomato. So per kg is equal to 12 rupees, right? The cost of tomatoes are, okay, so here 24, the 2 12 to the 24, the cost of 2 kg tomato, okay, and half का कितना आएगा? 6 to the 12, okay, the cost of half kg tomato. After adding these two number, so you will get answer. So answer should be 6 plus 4 10, okay, and 2 plus 1 3, like 30 answer should be come, okay. So answer should be 3030. Clear what I am telling you? Understood? So answer should be 30, okay. Here the answer should be 30, which I have written here, okay. Now the question number D. How much does 3.5 kg potato cost? 3.5 kg potato cost. So tell me the price of 1 kg potato. 1 kg potato is equal to 10 rupees. Clear? So here the cost of 3.5 kg potatoes are, okay, 3 multiplied by 10. The 10 3 are 30. The 30 is equal to the cost of 3 kg potato. Clear? Understood? And half kg, it means 10 divided by 5. So here 10 divided by 5 divided by 2, okay. So 2 5 ja 10. Understood? Okay. So minus symbol, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to also 0. So answer should be 5 only. Clear? Okay. So plus 5, the cost of half kg potato. So answer should be 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Clear? Okay. So here the answer should be 35. Now question number E. What is the price of 1 and 1 upon 4? Yani 25.0.25. It means 1.25 kg of carrot. So 1 kg and 1 upon 4 kg of carrot. So look at this side. तो 18 आता है बेटा, okay. The cost of 1 integer 1 upon 4 kg carrot are, so here the 1 kg, it means 18 multiplied by 1. तो 18, the cost of 1 kg. Now 1 upon 4 बाकी है, तो 1 upon 4 उसका यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया है 4.5. But how you will get this answer? Now I will show you here. So look at this side. 1 kg का कैरेट का कितना है? 18. ओके. तो here 1 upon 4. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया गया है? इन द डिनोमिनेटर में 4 है. 1 kg का कितना है? 18 है. तो what I have done here? 18 divided by 4. Okay. So my dear students, 4 jar 16. Okay. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear what I am telling you? And I have added extra 0 here. Okay. And I will put point here. Okay. Now speak the table. Now the number will become 20. Okay. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20. So 4 5 ja 20. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So answer should be 4.5, which you got here. So I have put here 1/4. The cost of 1/4 kg potato is equal to 4 rupees and 50 paisa. Clear? Understood? Now 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay. 0.8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay. Carry out by 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer should be 22.5. Okay. Answer should be 22.5. So here you should write 22.5. Now the last question is, he bought a gourd of weight 4 kg and 3/4 kg, and it costs, gourd is equal to how many rupees per kg? It is 8 rupees per kg. The cost of 4 and 3/4 kg gourd are, so कितना 4 kg का कितना, 1 kg का 8 है, तो 8 4 जा 32. ओके. नाउ 3/4 का फाइंड करना है हमको. सो 3/4 का आता है 6. नाउ आई विल शो यू सॉल्यूशन हाउ वी विल गेट आंसर 6. ओके. सो 3/4 multiplied by 8. Okay. So my dear students, speak the table of 4 with me. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So my dear students, can I write 4 multiplied by 2 instead of 8? 4 2 ja 8. So this 4 and this 4 will be cut. So remaining number is 3 and 2. So 3 2 ja 6. The answer should be 6 only. So I have written 6 here. So 0 plus 0 0. Okay. 0.6 plus 2 8. Okay. And 3, the 38 answer. Okay. 38 answer should be the cost of 4 rupees 4 kg and 3/4 kg, 4 integer 3/4 kg are 38 rupees. Clear what I am telling you? Understood? The answer is 38 rupees. Okay. Now look at this side. The answer should be 38. Now my dear students, question number G and question number H you have to do by yourself. Okay. Because of I have given full of the solution of question number A to F. Remaining these 2 questions you have to do by yourself. Clear? If you didn't understand, please send your message in the comment section box. And here I have completed chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Okay. Still, if you have any query, still if you have any doubt, still if you have any question regarding this chapter, okay, please contact me. I will try to give proper solution, and I will try to make one video for this for your doubts. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Thank you once again for watching my video.